sunflowers look so happy today. Grow tall and strong, my little sons. Come on, guys, let's play! Wait for me, Mochi! I'll be right back. Just need more water.
Mommy loves her garden. I'll help her grow more. Operation Super Garden is a go! What are you doing, Milo?
I'm digging a special spot for new flowers. Help me!
Okay, Milo, I'm coming. Yay! Digging game!
Faster, Mochi! Dig deeper!
Fine. I'm an earth monster. You can't catch me! Oh. Oof. I ruined Mommy's garden.
Oh, my beautiful flowers.
Mommy, I didn't mean to. I'm so sorry. I just wanted to help.
It's okay. Accidents happen. Let's go inside to clean up.
Oh dear, those poor little ones.
Psst. Little Milo, come here for a moment.
I broke everything, Mr. Barnaby.
Mistakes happen, but a true gardener knows how to fix them. Take these.
What are they?
Starbloom seeds. Plant them tonight under the moonlight. It'll be our secret.
Wake up, Toby! We have a mission to save the garden.
Huh? A mission? Shh, don't wake Mommy. Like this, Milo? Perfect. Sleep tight, little seeds. Drink up. You need to grow big for Mommy. Pretty rocks for pretty flowers. We did it. Now we wait.
Time to clean up the mess. is this possible?
Surprise, Mommy!
You did all this?
I wanted to fix it. I'm sorry I ruined your sunflowers.
Oh, Milo! This is the most beautiful garden I've ever seen.
We helped too!
Thank you for working so hard to make me smile.
Magic floor!
This garden is ours now. We'll take care of it together.
I promise to be a good helper next time. No more mess!
I think someone needs a bath and a long nap.
Bye-bye, Star Blooms. Thanks for watching. Remember to always try to fix your mistakes. Bye-bye.